Have you ever worked your tail off for years, yet still feel broke? You make more than you used to, but somehow your bank balance looks worse than it did 5 years ago. You see friends getting richer, fast, while you feel stuck. That painful thought pops into your head: why does money always slip through my fingers? If that sounds like you, stay right here, because the real reason you're not rich yet has nothing to do with income. And everything to do with something much deeper: your psychology of money. First, money isn't math, it's mindset. Most people think money is numbers. It's not. Money is behavior. Let's break that down. The first works harder. The second works smarter. This is not luck, this is psychology. See, your income is what you earn. Your wealth is what you keep. Money isn't earned in spreadsheets, it's earned in your mind. The 4 money personalities. 1. The worker. Wants income security. Works paycheck to paycheck. 2. The planner. Sets budgets. Thinks long term. Wins slowly. 3. The avoider. Ignores money. Pretends nothing's wrong. 4. The gambler. Chases big wins. Loses small goals. Which one are you? Most people think they're planners. But deep down, they're often avoiders pretending to be planners. That's why goals feel impossible. The cost of comparison. We live in the era of Instagram wealth. We compare ourselves to highlight reels, not progress reels. Your brain sees someone's success story and assumes it's easy, fast, natural. But it's not. This psychological trap makes you spend more, save less, feel behind. When really, you're just comparing unfinished chapters to someone else's highlights. Second, what actually makes people wealthy? 1. Patience and consistency. The richest people don't have superpowers. They have consistency. Wealth isn't a sprint. It's a slow compounding Everest hike. Your psychology is the fuel. If you quit at the first steep hill, you'll never reach the summit. 2. Delayed gratification. This is the invisible muscle the wealthy train. They choose later over now, future wealth over temporary pleasure. People say money is power, but the real power is restraint. 3. Avoiding ruin. Most people don't fail because they invest poorly. They fail because they can't handle loss emotionally. They panic. They sell low. They compare. They chase fear and greed cycles. The wealthy don't react. They respond. That's psychology, not strategy. Third, the hidden beliefs that keep you broke. Belief 1, I don't deserve wealth. You may not even realize this voice exists, but it's there. Your money beliefs formed long before your first paycheck. If deep down you feel unworthy, no budget will fix that. Wealth starts with belief. Belief 2, money is hard. You learned money is hard because money was handled poorly in your early years. But your brain treats belief like truth. To change your financial life, first change your inner story. Your mindset makeover. Here's the truth most financial gurus won't tell you: the biggest asset you own isn't your house. It's not your job. It's not your savings account. It's your money psychology. If you change how you think about money, your money will change how it targets you. Wealth doesn't chase those who chase wealth. Wealth sticks to those who understand money. If you want weekly videos that unpack the invisible rules behind finance, business, and wealth, subscribe to the Visual Finance. Comment mindset over money below if you're ready to rewrite your money story.